So finally guys, there is a good news for GB WhatsApp lovers. Now latest version of GB WhatsApp 16.80.0 is available. Because I have already updated, let me show you. When I open my GB WhatsApp, I'll click here, three dots, and go to GB settings. On the bottom you can see that upgrade GB. Here you will find version 16.80.0. Once when I click on it, you can see that you have the latest version of GB WhatsApp 16.80.0. Let us talk about what are the major changes. First thing which has been updated, that is the latest security patch. Now you have latest security patch of 25 July 2021. So if you want to save your data, you want to hide your data, you may say that to protect your data from the hackers, you should update your GB WhatsApp time to time. Major changes we will talk about, then we can see here. Now the Telegram plugin option is available. By using this application, you can control both the things. You can control your WhatsApp messages as well as your Telegram messages. We will talk about this later. First, let's talk about all the features A to Z we will talk about. If you talk about look basis, it is quite same. On the top you can see here, it's a WhatsApp is shown here. If you want, you can display your name here in place of WhatsApp. How would you do that? I'll tell you. Now let's talk about another things. Here you can see that by default background color is white and action bar color is green. You want to make changes in it, then click on plus button and then click on here. First option is available. Just by this, using this option, you can download unlimited themes and you can apply. So if you want to make changes here in by the looks, then you can apply the themes and thereafter you can change the look. Let me tell you one thing. If you are going to apply any one theme of them, where you can see that some red mark is shown. So if you want to apply these themes, first thing you need to unlock these themes. What does mean exactly? When I click here, you can see here the share option is available. Here you can read that you must share 5 friends or a group to unlock super theme. And it means that if you want to use this theme, you need to share this theme with a group or with the couple of your friends, so that this theme will be unlocked. And here in place of share button, you will find apply button. So once when you click on apply, this theme will be applied on your GB WhatsApp. Let's go back and let us talk about other features. Click on plus button. Let me show you caller phone option is here, and just below you may say that the theme store, you can find here customization. Click on customization, then what will happen? You can make customization in your home screen as well as your conversation screen. As I shown you before, let me show it again. In background you can see that white color, and in action bar you can see that here you will see green color. Similarly, when I open any chat, then what will happen? In chat you can see that the background color is white and action panel color is here. You can see that action panel color is green. So you want to make changes here, then you can click here and go to the customization option. Just to make changes in your home screen, click here, change your background. It's white by default. You want to make changes in color, you can choose any color from here and thereafter apply. Thereafter, if you want to make changes in action bar, as I shown you, green color, you can change it. Text color, you can change it. What is mean of text color? Here you can read that the WhatsApp is shown in white color. Similarly, chats is shown in white color. Groups are shown in white color. You want to make changes here, then what you have to do, click here, go to customization, and thereafter you can make changes here in home screen using by these options. Similarly, just to want to make changes in conversation panel, change conversation background color, and also you want to make changes in the action bar, toolbar, you can make here by using these options. Let's go back and let us talk about another features. Once when I click here this plus button, you can see that here the caller phone option is available. From last couple of updates, it has been notified that now caller phone option is not working properly. Earlier in GB WhatsApp, we had multiple caller phone options. While we make voice call or video call to anyone, we find a lot of, you may say, the display, the looks. But now it has given only one. So once when I click here, what happens? It only shows the message of loading. And it takes a lot of time, but I haven't found any as a caller phone here. So you now have only one by default caller phone. Let us talk about another options. When you go click here, by using this option, you can create a new message and you can create a new group. You can see here new contact you can add from here, and you can create a new group. Let's go back. Let us talk about another features. Here by using this option you can enter in the GB settings. If you don't want to enter from here, then go to top, click here and then go to GB settings. Let's talk about another options. On the top you can see that new group. By using this option you can create a new group. By using this option you can create a new broadcast. By using this option you can check it out that your GB WhatsApp account has been logged in any PC or laptop. So if it has been logged in, then what will happen? Click here. The window operating system versions will be shown here, and if you want to log out from all the devices, then you can click here. You will see the option here, log out from all devices. Because I have not logged in any PC or laptop, that's why you can see that here it is not shown. Go back. Let us talk about another features. Click on thereafter you can see that start messages. This option is used to bookmark any message. By payment option you can send money or you can receive money, and thereafter you will find GB settings. Here is the option of message and number. By using this option you can send any text message on GB WhatsApp without saving a number. Click here, enter country code and enter mobile number, and once when you let me show you how. So when I click here a country code and enter, I'm just going to use one number, no matter this number is saved or not. And thereafter click here, open chat, and you can see that this has been in chat box. So by using this option you don't need to save any contact number. Without saving a contact number you can make a message. Similarly, you want to record a message and you want that message should be delivered in future, so you can use this option, message scheduler. This is one of the most popular feature in GB WhatsApp. If you want to wish anyone happy Diwali, happy birthday, any festival, you can record a message and thereafter set the timer at exactly 12 o'clock at night. You go to sleep, the WhatsApp will send it itself, and the next person will feel that you have sent it at exactly 12 o'clock. So this is one of the coolest feature I feel. Click on GB settings and you will find the similar options. By using privacy and security you can enable sub options. You can enable hide last seen freeze, disable forwarded tag. You can set also who can call you. You can hide view status, means if you view anyone's status he will not know that you have viewed his status. If anyone upload a status and delete, but that status will not be deleted for you if you enable this option. Let us talk about another features. Go back, and here you can see that anti-delete messages. This option is also very popular. Anyone make a message to you and thereafter deletes, that message will not be deleted for you. And thereafter you can see that show blue ticks after reply. By using this option, what will happen if you enable this option? If anyone send a message to you, that message will not as you read it, but the next person will not get the blue ticks, means that he will realize that you have not read his message so far if you enable this option. Here similarly you can make some settings in privacy in contacts, groups and broadcast. Click on contacts. If you want hide blue ticks, you can enable this. Second tick you want to hide, enable this, and third option in similar some options are shown. So you can choose any of them and click on universal setting. By using universal setting, what you can do, you can enable send best quality photos without losing quality. You can increase the MB limit, and thereafter you can see that disable media limit, and you can also hide your GB WhatsApp images that someone shared with you from the gallery. Images, photos and videos. You want to enable chat heads, enable this option. You want to remove that 5 maximum share, then you can use this option. Self-destructive message you want to enable this option, and you can see that some more options are shown. Status, mute updates, view updates and recent updates. If you enable these options you would have in trouble, like someone shared a status on their GB WhatsApp or WhatsApp, you will not be able to view those status if you enable these options. So make sure you don't enable these options. Go down, you can see here 2 more options are shown. If you enable both the options, your GB WhatsApp will be automatically updated when it gets updated. By using this option you can choose a launcher icon. By default you can see that this launcher icon is set. Go back. Let us talk about another features. Now go back, and here you will see that the backup and restore. Click here, backup and restore. You want to take a backup on your phone, then use this option. You want to make a backup in cloud storage, you can log into your Mega account and you can log into your Dropbox account. By logging that, and thereafter if you take a backup, then backup will be stored in your cloud storage, and that backup will be stay there forever. So if you be smart and take a backup in your cloud storage. Let's talk about another features. Here is the option of home screen. What is the mean exactly? Let me tell you. Here you can see that the home screen. Here you can see that the chats, groups, and status. And you can see here search box, DND, and showed light mode, dark mode. You want to enable or disable these options from the home screen. You can use home screen. I'll show you. When I open a home screen, you can see that the first option is here, separate chats and groups. If I disable it, and if you don't want to show your DND, disable these all the three options. Like as a dark mode, light mode, you don't want the light mode button in your home screen, disable these options. What will happen? Let me disable it first. Yes, now it will open again, and now you can see that in the home screen you will not find such buttons that I disabled. You can see here now groups and chats were separated before, but now they are not separated. You can see on the top, because I have disabled, you may say that the light mode and dark mode option, that option is not here. DND option is enabled here. If you want to disable it, click here and go in GB settings, and thereafter go to home screen and just disable it. This is still not disabled. Sorry, this one, disable it and it will not be shown there. Let me go back, and one of the most popular feature is Telegram plugin. Once when you click on it, if you have any Telegram account with the same contact number that you're using in this GB WhatsApp version, then just enable this option. What will happen once when you enable this option? First time when you will enable this option, it will ask for OTP verification. But because I have just done it before some time, that's why for me maybe it will not ask. When I enable this option, you can see that the Telegram option is shown here. When I click here, because my messages are shown. So maybe if you enable this option for the very first time, then it will ask OTP. So log in with OTP, you click, and thereafter the message will come in your mobile phone. Enter that OTP, and thereafter the same options will be shown here. So by using this option, you can control both your WhatsApp messages as well as your Telegram messages. So this is the combo of WhatsApp and GB WhatsApp, combo of WhatsApp and Telegram if you use these features. One of the best thing is that I told you that it has the latest security patch of 25 July 2021. Let us talk about another features. Now let's go back. These three options are the same as I shown you in the home screen. By using this option, you can reach to the theme store, you can download the themes. By using this option, you can customize your home screen and conversation. By using this option, you can download the caller phone, but they are not working properly. And here you can see that if you want to visit their website, official website, click here, and just you can see here, you want to follow them in a Telegram group, click here, Twitter, click here, or you want to visit website, click here in the website. So if you ask sometimes that please sir give me the website, so whatever version you have, click here and follow GB version, and thereafter you will find here options. Choose any of them that you like, and thereafter you can navigate to there. And in the bottom you can see that about option is there. So this option is hardly used. You can see that the latest version is shown here, and version base is 2.21.8.17, and GB WhatsApp version is 16.80.0 release. If you want to know more about it, as I already told you in previous videos, that GB WhatsApp was launched very first time in 2010, and now it is 2021. So still they are linked to each other. Click on licenses, and thereafter you can check out all the things, what kind of licenses are there and what kind of versions have been launched so far. So this was all about the latest GB WhatsApp version 16.80.0. As I told you, if you want to download it, I'll give you the link in the comment section, not in description. Visit comment section, I'll pin it, click on that, and thereafter download it. If you have any query, any questions related to this application, you can ask me. I will try to answer you. If I'm not able to answer you instantly, whenever I'll have the time, I'll definitely try to answer you. This is all about today. Please hit the like button if you like this video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Very soon we'll see again with the next topic, maybe with the next update. For the time being, bye bye and take care.